Alright, blessed morning, afternoon, evening, night, wherever you are in the world. We are back again with another video. Right now, we got Honda Civics here. Did some job on it the other day. Now we are going to do some spark plug changes. This vehicle needed a good servicing. Didn't know if it had a good one, so we are going to now replace the spark plugs. Seeing, so we're gonna get in right. We're gonna just get right into it. No lay nor tay. All right, so spark plug is right over here under this thing here or under here somewhere. I guess you have to just lift it up. Got these rubber here, right here, and these little thing here. I might have to take those off. See if I got my screwdriver. See what's going on with these things. Turn these like that. Probably that's how it works. Remember, we have to assume we don't know what we're doing here. Just because it's a DIY, you have to know how to do stuff. You have to look and see. So alright, we're gonna slide this off. There we go. Slide this off. This other little rubber here. There we go. And voila. There's your spark plug. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are coil packs, and the spark plug is underneath those. So look at that. It's so rusty. That means you can see probably these have been never changed for a long time. These are 10 bolts. We're gonna see if we can get a 10 on there. Here we are, 10 socket. These are a little bit tight. Be careful. And they're like this. We don't want to run no risks. Make sure it goes all the way down on there. Don't want to run no risks with this. Alright, get it on there properly. You know what? Hold on, let me get my tripod. Alright, that's better. So let's work this thing here. That one doesn't feel good. Don't like it. Don't like it. Knock it off when I get it out, guys. These bolts rusty as ever. Got it out. We got it out. We got it out. This is kind of quick as well. It's not It doesn't take a lot to change these things, you know. With this, you have to be mindful of how you pull this up. So you might want to take the tabs off, take the clips off first. I just tried that, but it wasn't gonna come up. As you can see, it's tugging on the wire here. So these wires are gonna be probably corroded, so you're gonna have to just take your time and take them off. Alright, I like to keep them in the same order. I don't think that does anything, but when I do take things apart like that, I like to keep them in the right order that they were in. Also, depending on how long the vehicle is running, sometimes it's good to change these coil packs as well. You never know. You know, they could go at any time, some of these, depending on how long you have the vehicle. But we're just gonna change the spark plugs, and we might not change the spark plug too, because the person who sold her this car might have changed the spark plug, but from the state of the bolts, I don't think they changed it. But we're gonna see now. We're gonna see the little stuff that drops down in there. I didn't want anything to fall down in there. Alright. One up there. One up here. 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 Got our spark plug socket. This is a 5/8 or a 16, as you can see, 16 or 5/8. Fits these spark plug. These are not tight, so don't try to tighten them down too much. Right? They're not supposed to be that tight. As you can see, minimal force and it's open. So when tighten it, you don't want to tighten them too tight. So alright, so I'm just gonna check one of them, because I didn't want to, as I was saying, I didn't even know if they're good or not. We just wanted to change them because she bought the car and it didn't look like it get all the service that it needs. So let's see. Some of these, there's a rubber in here that's supposed to stuck on the spark plug and bring it up. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they're wear. I think this one is wear. I got a good one, but I think this one is wear. I just use my little magnet. Take it up like that. NGK. And look at that. This looks like this looks good, the burn, but if you notice, it's flat right there on the tip. See that tip there? You can see that's burnt down. See that? Burnt down. So that means this could use a change. So we make the right call. Made the right call. I told her to get the spark plug, but that's alright. But she got these ones, which is not too. These are the best. NGK, Bosch are the best ones. But hey, She got these ones, so we'll use them. These ones, you see that? Let's see. Focus. There we go. That doesn't look. You see that? Opposed to that. This is burnt down. So we're gonna replace them. You can just drop it down. It normally just go right in the area. It doesn't, you know what I mean? Very easy. It doesn't really give any trouble. Right in there, quick and fast. We're gonna just take them all out. Yep. They all burned. They all burnt down. Yep. Yep. This one is even burned more. Alright. That goes out of the way. And we got, I don't know if these are any good. Anybody comment down below, let me know if these are any good. But I know they are just, you know, mid-range spark plugs, or, you know, lower tier spark plugs. But hey, guess they do the job. But I recommend NGK or Bosch or Denso, yeah, or Denso. Those parts are for Hondas and Toyotas, Denso and them stuff. NGK is I would say a world-renowned spark plug. You know, everybody, these spark plugs are for ages. You know, many years, these spark plugs. I would say they are the best. Yeah, and I would suggest get your hands in there and hand tighten first, yeah? No power tool until you get the thread, until you get it down and there and it's tight enough before you use any power tool. Or, you know, well, you won't be able to use a socket because you would know it's not there. That's hand tighten there. Yeah, so no power tool until you untied, and that's on everything. You don't want to cross thread anything. Power tools are very easy to cross thread stuff and damage threads and all that. So yeah. Quick. This is the quickest. This is one of the quickest jobs too, you know, opposed to oil change. You know, quick and easy. This is less than 10 minutes gonna be probably. Because I'm doing the video, it's gonna be a bit more. But if you're supposed to do it by yourself without any video in, quick, fast. I don't think it need any more than that, because as I tell you, doesn't need to be all that time. I'm just gonna give it a little check. Yep. And that's that. put back our coil packs. These are very dirty around the edges, around the rubber edges. Now we want to clean these up before you put them back in there like that. I mean, clean up some of these ones, make sure you have no dust in there, make sure it's sealed properly. Alright, all in. Put back your bolts. These bolts are they're a little bit rust, but I don't think they're that bad. I think they still got the edges, you know, so they only rust when you first see them, but I think they got the edges there still. Yeah, edges is still there. Oh. See that? Oh dear me. I'll have to find that one down there. Hope it fall on the floor. Tighten up, and that's really it, you know, guys, to be honest. Doesn't need, very easy to change spark plugs, very easy. Let me find that one, put it back in. But that's really it, guys. Quick and easy spark plug change, you know what I mean? Just put back your cover on, tighten your stuff back. That's about it, guys. Really and truly, that's about it. You don't need nothing than that. So I'm gonna get that screw put back in here, and all you do, put that back on here, turn those screws, put these back on the rubber, on these pointers or whatever you call this, fasteners or whatever, and that's it. And that's how you change your spark plug, guys. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, guys. Come on, just on the channel here, just start this channel. Keep watching, we got a lot of videos coming out, got a lot of stuff to do. I got a lot of video to do as well, change transmission fluid, so stay tuned for that. All right, thanks for watching. Get busy watching. See you.